Hello, this is Heidi Meyers, Immigration and Economic Sanctions Attorney, and today we're going to talk about one of the options for employers who did not get enough H-1B visa numbers during the recent lottery. So one option for employers is the J-1 Intern and the J-1 Trainee program. So first, for a J-1 intern, the foreign national is basically a young person who's either attending university or a post-secondary institution abroad and is either attending school full-time or has very recently graduated. So the requirement for the J-1 intern is that either the young person is still attending university abroad full-time or, as I said, a post-secondary institution which grants a certificate. So they're either still in school or they have graduated within the 12 months prior to the program start date. So you have a very short time frame if the foreign national has already graduated from university. So if the foreign national has already graduated from university, you need to make sure they're already in the United States and starting their program before 12 months from the graduation date. So it's not 12 months up until you get your visa, it's 12 months from the program start date. Okay, so you're working with a very short time frame. So this program, the interns and also for the trainees, it is not for F1 students. It is not for foreign nationals educated in the United States. It's specifically for foreign nationals educated abroad. Now for the J-1 trainee, either, so the first category for J-1 trainees is either they have a degree already from a university abroad or a certificate from a post-secondary academic institution. So they've already graduated and they have at least 1 year of related work experience in the field in which they're going to work in the United States. So that's one category of J-1 trainees. They've already graduated from university or a post-secondary institution, and they have at least 1 year work experience abroad. The other option is for those J-1 trainees who do not have, say, a 4-year university degree or a certificate, if they have at least 5 years experience in the field abroad, they will also qualify. So you don't necessarily have to have a 4-year degree from a university abroad to qualify for this program if you have at least the 5 years experience. So again, for the J-1 trainee, the education has to be abroad and the work experience has to be abroad. So as I said before, these programs, the J-1 intern and the J-1 trainee, are not for F1 students. They are not for young professionals educated in the United States or with work experience in the United States. So this would be a good program actually for large companies that have, say, a subsidiary or an affiliate abroad, and they have employees abroad who they're bringing here to go through some kind of a training program and learn about U.S. Methods and technologies and techniques, and then go back to the foreign company abroad. Now, for both programs, for both the J-1 intern and the J-1 trainee, your company needs to develop a specific training program. Think of, say, a university semester syllabus where you are going to have training modules. You're going to have a certain part of in-class teaching. So you're going to have to figure out who's going to teach your in-class modules. So you're going to have a certain point of the J-1 interns or trainees are going to have lectures in a class. It's going to be like a regular classroom setting at your company. And then also on-the-job experience and training, and who's going to be their supervisor, who's going to be managing them, what specifically are they going to learn? What specifically are they going to learn in terms of advancing their skills, advancing their professional knowledge and experience? So you have to specify what U.S. methods, techniques, technologies they're going to learn here in the United States. Okay, so you're going to have to spend a lot of time developing a serious training program, because otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, so you develop your training program, and you're going to have that on the DS 7002, which you're going to submit for each of your applicants. And then the issue you're going to come up against is that these are very short-term programs. So, for example, for the J-1 intern, the program is limited to 12 months here in the United States, and for the J-1 trainee, it is generally limited to 18 months. However, for J-1s in agriculture or tourism hospitality, the J-1 program is usually limited to 12 months unless you can show that it's management level. Additionally, the employer has to follow all labor and employment laws applicable in the United States. So you must follow the Fair Labor Standards Act. All right, so that's it for today. We just reviewed the basic requirements for the J-1 intern and the J-1 trainee, and that this is for those foreign nationals educated abroad and with work experience abroad, and this does not generally apply to your F1 students. All right, this is Heidi Meyers, Immigration and Economic Sanctions Attorney. I'm at 11 Broadway, Suite 925, New York, New York, 10004, and my number is 212-791-4007 or 646-508-5225, and my email is heidimeyerslaw@hmeyers.com, which you can find in the comments below. So thank you very much, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.